Black women are notorious for putting everybody else first. Family, career, heck, even pets. But sis, when are you going to fly? Finally live for yourself. I'm Renee Mitchell-Simpson, your self-love and happiness bestie. I'm the founder of Well Diva Lifestyle and Travel and a positive psychology coach who at 50-something ended a 20-year marriage, sent my daughter off to college, moved across country, and completely reinvented my life. And now I help women like you do the same. On this channel, you'll find weekly videos on self-love, manifestation, international wellness retreats, and how to reinvent your life after 50. My goal? To help you create a life that feels good on the inside, not just one that looks good on the outside. So if you're ready to step out of your comfort zone, follow your heart, and finally put you first, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and let's do this together.